Hi Scorpio, welcome to Universal. Thank you for watching. So this is our weekly reading. Here I will check your immediate future, recent past, current energies and immediate future. Of course, immediate future also important. So one card we will see for your overall energy for the reading for whole week. Okay. So anyway, these all are general messages. So some messages may match with you, some may not. Whatever matching, take those messages and leave the rest. Don't try to insist or compel those messages. Try to force those messages on your situation. Okay? This is your overall energy for the reading. So Scorpio, recent past, 6 of Wands, Knight of Wands, Page of Wands. So in the recent past, you got some kind of victory with this Knight of Wands energy, or you may be expecting some kind of victory with this Knight of Wands energy, or at least you feel that something is excited in your life. You feel someone or something is excited in your life. You want to take action. You want to get victory in that thing, whatever it may be. It may be opportunity. It may be someone special. Okay, you are very much excited. You hold a lot of passion for that thing or place, situation or job, person. Take the messages as per your situation. Okay, what that excites you. So you carry a lot of passion towards that. You want to take action. You want to work things out, and you want to get this victory, or at least someone in your life who is like a victorious person, who is like famous personality, or who holds some kind of public figure or some kind of name, fame in the public eye. This person may be in the public eye. They are like a winner kind of energy. This person is a victorious person or winner, and you want to have something with this person because you hold a lot of passion towards this person. You want to take some action towards this person to get into this passionate connection with this person. You are waiting for some kind of good news, or at least you want to move towards them and tell them how you are feeling or how to what you want with this person, but everything is passion. Okay, so in the recent past, your energy is completely filled with passion. You yourself also Knight of Wands energy, where holding lot of passion. At the same time, whatever you are doing, whatever you are expecting, completely passionate things you are expecting, and whatever actions you are taking, that is also completely with passion. Lot of passion, lot of creativity, lot of self-confidence. Everything is there. In the current energy, 4 of Cups, 6 of Cups, High Priestess. So in the current energy, there is no passion. So in the recent past, a lot of passion. In the current energy, only Cups. 4 of Cups, 6 of Cups, emotions. You are not sharing those emotions. Actually, here the thing is, you are not interested, even though you have so many people around you who are ready to offer their cup of love to you, or who are sharing their love to you, and they are showing their love, care towards you. But you may be thinking about something, or you want specific someone in your life. That is also one reason you are not accepting anyone's love, because High Priestess came out. Maybe you have someone special who is, it is like a secret person, secret lover, or you don't want to share that person to anyone. You don't want to talk about that person to anyone. Secret crush, secret admirer kind of energy. And you feel that that person is 6 of Cups energy. You feel with that person like a child, or you both are like a soulmates. Maybe you already dealt with this person in the past. That is also one reason you feel that you both share same kind of energy or soul level connection. You both understand very well. At least your inner child get connected the moment you met. Or if at all this person you are dealt with this person in your childhood, you are carrying that childhood memories. So in the current energy, even though you have so many people around you who want to offer their cup of love, you are not interested because you are simply dwelling in the childhood memories or feeling nostalgia about that person, whomever you think that person is your soulmate. Okay, you are simply thinking about that person, or you are simply interested in that person, and you want that cup of love from that person. You don't want cup from anyone. You don't want to accept anyone's cup. But here the thing is, things are still secret, or the person itself is a secretive. You don't want to share anything about that person to anyone. You want to keep that relationship or that person as a secret thing, because the high priestess is a completely secretive person or secret lover kind of energy. Okay, whether lover, friend, which is secret, you don't want to share with anyone. In the immediate future, King of Pentacles, the Hermit, the Tower. So in the immediate future, even though when it comes to your stability, financial stability you have, but still you are not satisfied, or you need to look for something. More than anything here, I am seeing that you hold this ground. You are very stable in your life. King of Pentacles. Or you have someone in your life who is like a King of Pentacles and who want to offer you this King of Pentacles opportunity, like very stable, long-term commitment, or they want to offer something which is stable, which is long-term in the sense of finances. Okay, in the sense of finances, they want to give you something, they want to offer you something for your lifetime, but I think you are not interested because you are looking for something. Hermit, you isolated yourself from everyone. You are not dealing with anyone in the immediate future. Current energy also, you are surrounded by people. There are so many people who are loving, caring, but you are still not accepting anyone's love. But in the immediate future, you are isolating yourself from everyone because you don't want to deal with anyone. You don't want to accept anyone's cup of love. As I said, you hold someone in your life and you want to have that person because you think that that person is your soulmate, or at least you feel that that person is your childhood friend, or who can understand your inner child, or who can easily connect with your inner child, or who can able to bring your inner child out. Okay, anything, it is related to your child, inner child. So here you are going to go within yourself. It is some kind of searching for some kind of truth in the situation, because there is a high priestess. In the current situation, there are so many secrets. The secrets can be anything about that person or about the situation, about something. Or simply that you are not interested in love. Why you are not interested? That is also one secret for you. Why you are not showing interest towards emotions? Because Six of Cups is completely different card. It is emotions, but it is about small childhood kind of energy, kids love. It is not intense level of love. Maybe you are not interested in intense level of love. Why you are not interested? That is a big secret for you, and you want to know what exactly stopping you to get into that intense connections. Why you are not accepting love from anyone? And here in the immediate future, you are going to get into that mode. That completely you are going to isolate yourself. Our situations will demand you to isolate yourself, because there is a tower moment. You are going to get some kind of tower moment in your life, or you are going to know about something. See, the thing is, wherever you are, whatever you are doing in your life, some secret is going on, because High Priestess is the main dominating for this reading. There is a huge secret in your life, about your life, about yourself. I hope you are understanding. That secret is coming, or at least you are going to know something about that secret. You may be not expecting it. Maybe someone hided that secret from you. You are going to get that, or things are coming out. Whatever those secrets, those things are coming out. That is also one reason you want to find the truth. You want to know what exactly happened in the situation, or happened in your life, or happened to you. Why you are like this? Why you are not accepting love in your life? Why so many secrets in your life? You want to break all those secrets. You want to bring that light into that situation, or about that truth. You want to shed some kind of light on that truth. Maybe something going to happen suddenly, because tower is sudden. That is also one reason. Because of this tower movement, you are going to isolate yourself, because you don't want to deal with anyone. You want to find out the truth. Until unless you won't get the answers, whatever answers you may be looking for, you don't want to deal with anyone. Even though you have someone in your life like a King of Pentacles who want to offer this Pentacle stable materialistic beginning, but still you don't want to take it. You are not rejecting it, but you are not interested. because you are completely isolating. You do not work with anyone, even though if it is a business proposal, professional related matter also, you do not work with anyone. You are isolating yourself because you want to know what is the truth, what is the secret is about. You want to break this secret or bring some light on that secret. Overall energy, chariot. You want to travel, you want to get that balance. I think so. Overall energy is chariot. Someone is coming towards you, or someone want to come towards you who is like soulmate. But here, before getting into union with them, you need to be balanced, because this person is a chariot and they are very balanced person. Or at least when they are coming towards you, they are well balanced with their masculine and feminine energies, yin and yang, and their emotional side and their logical brain also very balanced, and their life is under their control. Here, your life is completely don't know what is happening. Lot of secrets. And you are, that's what you want to bring that light into those secrets, and you want to reveal that secrets, no matter what kind of secrets, whether it is family related secret, whether it is about your personality, whether it is yourself, about your own emotions. You want to bring that light, you want to see the truth, you want to understand what exactly you want or where exactly you belong. So it is like in the immediate future you are going through some kind of tower moment which will create or which will put you in isolating mode, where you will understand yourself, or where you will find the answers, or try to find the answers for the questions, for the secrets, for the things which are not visible, because High Priestess is completely secretive, hidden thing. But anyway, meanwhile, someone is coming towards you with this balanced energy. Maybe this person is going to help you to get that balance in your life, but as of now, someone is coming. I don't think this is your energy, because your energy is completely different. 4 of Cups, 6 of Cups, High Priestess. Overall energy, or at least current energy. Your current energy here, it is not that you are balanced or imbalanced. It is about that you are completely dealing with some kind of secrets. And in the overall energy for the week is Chariot. Someone is coming towards you. This person is going to help you to bring that balance within yourself, or to find out the answers, whatever answers you may be seeking. This person is going to help you to get that answers. There is some secret here. I am strongly getting Scorpio. So Scorpio itself is a secretive sign, but here there is some secret in your life. You need to decode it. That secrets you need to find out. Maybe it is going to shock you. Those secrets are going to create some kind of shock, but still you need to do that. I think in the immediate future, universe will bring that shocking moment, but still you are ready to go within yourself and find the answers, to see the truth, what exactly about it. Okay, so if at all you are dealing with any kind of emotional issues, maybe that is the one. You will go within yourself and understand why you caught up with those traumas, what happened in your childhood, because it is completely related to your childhood issues. So someone is coming towards you with this balanced energy to help you to find out whatever answers you may be seeking. This person is going to help you to find out those answers. So you can expect someone in this week, because it is a weekly reading and it is overall energy. So in this week you can expect someone who is well balanced within themselves. At least they will show the direction, where to go, because here it is Hermit. You want to see the light, but you don't know where to go. This person will show you where to go. This person lead you in the right path, because this is one kind of direction card. They are going to direct you in which path you need to go to find out whatever answers you may be seeking. Okay, so this is your weekly reading. So thank you for watching. For more readings you can like and subscribe. For personal readings you can mail me. You will find the details in the description box, and we will meet next week with your next week energy.